For any problem, you can call. Student, good morning. In algebra, first part, one practical with two dice, that is remain. Uh, by playing with two dice, 36 sample space we have to note down. So I've given no that pair that see first and second, then like first and second. So consider this as blue. Consider this as red. So that 36 sample space we know, and as per that we will write. So this practical you will write parallelly with me. But now wait. First I will write all the 36 sample space. So one, 6 times. 6 times. 4 6 times. 5 6 times. Now in your practical, these columns are ready. Just that you have to fill. So they have given yellow and red. I have changed instead of yellow, blue, blue and red, blue and red, blue and red. That 36 pair I have written. For example, suppose it will come this. So it is uh, 3 and 6. So which one is 3 and 6? 3 and 6. So blue in first serial, this is 3, this is 6. Okay, I will mark 1 1. You will enter 3 and 6. Zigzag we will take. Second, 2 blue, 3 red. Third experiment, 4 and 3. Fifth experiment, 5 and 5. Sixth experiment, 2 and 3. Seventh experiment, 3 and 2. Eighth experiment, 4 and 2. 9, 5 and 2. 10, 5 and 1. Like that, I have done 10 experiments with two dice. Now, sum is 9. Is it exactly equal to 9 and greater than 9? Yes. So it is not then, not less than 5, not sum is this. Now odd on blue. This is odd, yes. Even on this, yes. Try to write the answer, yes or no. 2 plus 3, 5. So less than 5, this, no. Odd and even, no. 4 plus 3, exactly 7. Not less, not greater. Even on odd, no. 5 plus 5, 10. Not less than 5, not equal to 7. Odd and even, no, both are even. Like that, every time you have to judge 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 plus 3, 5. So it is not this, not this, not this. Odd and even, not a 7, not less than 5, not greater than 9. It is given 5, no?
The screen again got blurred.
3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So it is not less than 5. It is not greater than 9. It is not 7. First is odd, second is even, yes. 4 plus 2 is 6. Not greater than 9. Not less than 5. Not 7. Odd and even, no. Odd and even, yes. 7. So here only. Less than 7, no. Greater than 9, no. 5 plus 1, 6. Not greater than this. Not less than 5. 7, no. Odd and even, no. So write that first 10. Then I'll remove and then I'll write another 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 and 1 I have copied. 36 also written. 23, 43, 55, 23, 32, 42, 52, 51. So it is first, second, third, fourth, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. Take anyone, third, 10, 10. That is on blue 3, red 4. So 4 plus 3, 7. Not greater than 9. Not less than 5. Is it 7? Odd and even? Yes. Write this much. Means you have to just mark and you have to write this. 10 we have written. Among that 1, 2, A, B, C, D. Just for this because I have to remove. Have you marked in your book, beta? Shall I rub this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now new pair we will take. That is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Anyone. This 1 and 1, 1 and 4, 6 and 5, 4, 4, 2, 6, 2, 1, 6, 6, 4, 6, 5 and 3, 6 and 2. Now we will give the answer. Blue and red. Huh? This here you have to write. Sorry. 15 was okay. So sum is 2, less than 5. Odd and even, no. This is 5. Exactly 5. Odd and even. 12, greater. Odd and even, no. Odd and even, no. This is also odd and even, no. Odd and even, no. Odd and even, no. Odd and even, no. Odd, no. Odd and even, no. Greater than 9, no. Greater than 9, no. No. Greater than 9. 10. Greater than 9. 8. Greater than 9, no. 7. Less than 5, no. Less than 5, no. Less than 5. 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 Totally 7. No. 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 So again 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2. This no need to write. Copy this. Then third round we will take. 10 done. Now more 10. So 20. It is 20. Have you marked? If you have project book, no, so very easily you can mark, or if you don't have, no, so according to this, you just write in your notebook.
Yeah, sir, done.
Third set. That is 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So I'll take this 1 and 3. I'll take this 3 and 1. I'll take this 6, 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 5, 4, 3, 3, 2, 5, 1, 6, 4, 1. Blue are this number, red are this number. Now total, we will find this first. Odd and even, no. Odd and even, no. Odd and even, no. Odd and even, yes. Odd and even, no. Odd and even, yes. No. Odd even, no. Odd even, yes. Odd even, no. Now total, whose total is 7? No. 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 11, no. 8, no. 9, no. 6, no. 7, yes. 7, yes. No. Greater than 9, total, no. No. 9, but not greater than 9. 11, greater than 9. No. Yes. No. 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 Less than 5, yes. Less than 5, yes. No. 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 It is 5, not less than 5. So in this round we got 1, 2, 3. In this round we got 2. In this round we got 2. In this round we got 1, 2, 3. Write it. So first we have to write 36 samples, that pair in a zigzag way. Directly you can't write 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2 because this is an experiment. So every time pair will not be in the sequence. Done.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, so next 6 pair only remain. Thirty-one, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Which are remain 1 and 2, 2 and 2, 6 and 4, 4 and 5, 1 and 5, 6 and 1. Okay, 36 covered. Now first we will this. Odd and even? Yes. Odd, even, 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 odd, even, array, odd, even, odd. As per this condition, we want first odd, then even, then only you're correct. Greater than 9, greater than 9, total 10. So yes, equal or 9? No, no. Less than 5? Yes. Less than 5? Yes. No. Less than 5? No. Less than 5? No. No. Exactly 7? Now in this group, I got this 2. I got this 2. This only 1. This only 1. So I got this total 10. This only 6. This also only 6. This 9. His total may or may not be 36 because all the conditions are not included. So a first page you have done, first page. First page, second page. Second page they have given total number of possible outcome. Observation. In first, write 36. In second observation, greater than 9, you write 10. Third observation, outcome less than 5, you write 0.6. Fourth observation, exactly 7, 0.6. Number of outcome even and odd, that is fifth, first, second, third, fourth. So these total 36. First answer, second answer, third answer, fourth answer, fifth answer. This is first answer. This is second answer. This is third answer. This is fourth answer. Fifth answer is 0.9. See observation. There are 5 answers you have to write. 36. Then only 6. Then 30. Sorry, 36. 10. 6. 6. 9. Then we have to write the probability of this second. In probability first, what you will write? This is in the range. Okay, I'll write here somewhere. Now, no need of this. First, probability sum is greater than or equal to 9 is equal to number of A divided by number of S, that is 10 divided by 36 is equal to 5 divided by 18. That's it. Second probability means total less than 5. Number of B, number of S, that is 6 divided by 36. Third probability, total exactly equal to 7. Number of C divided by number of S. C is also 6. Probability of odd and even. So number of B divided by number of S, that is 09 by 36. 9 4s. And this at the end they have the given table. So four type of the probability we have to find out. So this 1 2 3 4 answer and this 1 2 3 4 answer as it is you have to write in table. Tick marks I have given. Riya, how many minutes remain bacha?
So 10 minutes, 9 minutes.
Okay. Complete this and tell me when you have finished. 1 2 3 4 5. That is your 5 reading in observation. And in calculation 1 2 3 4. These are the final probability. And this randomly they have given, so it doesn't mean that this total should be 36 because some pair are left which are not included in that. That is why. In exam now they will not give the dice from this 36 sample space directly. We have to enter. And in one practical, don't afraid that all the part you have to complete. They will give this, so you have to fill this observation only, or either you have to fill the probability only, or either this any 10 part you have to fill. Okay, full experiment will not be asked totally in algebra part 1. Okay, this can be divided into 3 part 4 parts, so each and every student will get small part. One student will not get full experiment in a final exam of board.
So done.
Okay. Now listen. Related to algebra practical, anything you want to ask, you can ask, because Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we will try to finish geometry practical. And from page number 1 to last page number, no, you just send me PDF for the pictures in the sequence. So only the last chapter is not there. So rest of from all the chapters, there are one practicals. So I think per lecture we can complete uh, two practicals. Now, students, listen very carefully, bacha, that who have not given photographs into the school, uh, develop your photographs if you have not developed. And as per instruction, that blue or red background and school uniform. And signature, what you are doing at present while filling the form, no, that will be cropped and printed in your whole ticket. So whenever you will go to the this practical and theory exam, at that time every day you have to sign their paper. It is a proof that you are present, and backside your hall ticket also supervisor will sign. So that is your proof that you have given the exam. Suppose by mistake and by computer error in your result, some in some paper it is written absent, so you have hall ticket on that day, supervisor signature. So every year, no, they are improving their system. So whatever the signature you are doing now while filling the form, that same you have to fill into all the papers, and while writing the papers in each and every subject paper. Date of birth, caste, whatever you want to change, before form you have to complete, because once the form will go, so in SSC board certificate, in SSC board mark list, you will get same name, same surname, same birth date, everything will be same. Caste also, whatever you want to take the benefit as a ST, NT, OBC, so that should be registered before filling this form, or before you take last to last, before you take the LC. Because once whatever the it is mentioned into the LC, as per that you will get the admission in this 11th standard. So for any benefit of 11th standard category of SC, ST, OBC, it is must that it is written in your LC. So, form procedure, signature procedure, and photograph procedure, you please complete. For the timely management, timely facilities to the student due to heavy traffic or a long distance center, every year they tries to give the center within 3 kilometers. They tries to give, but if it is not possible, centers are not available, then they have to give far. At 11 o'clock, suppose you have pick up the auto, and in a traffic you have spent lots of time, and by watching the watch you will confirm that I will not reach to the center by 10:45 at least, because 10:30 entry is must before 30 minutes of the paper. Every paper will be of 11 at 11 o'clock. If it is not possible, no, so to the nearby center you can go, and with your emergency barcode that principal will provide, you can give the exam. In for English medium exam there is no problem, because no, in each and every center there are some student of English medium at least. But for vernacular, for Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati, because in that center